Okay, I have a Baldwin 5-pin Slade keyway received from Road Picker and J. Lock does work. Very smooth. It is locked up. This is the bitting on the key. So let's see what we can do with it today and take a look at the pins. Okay, let's try using the top of the keyway and this pick. Let's go to the back of the lock. A little bit on 5, I believe. There's some on 3 and 2 and 1. Okay, we're still getting some feedback on 1. Here's 1. Okay, there's a little bit of turn on the plug on number 5. Some more turn on number 4. Okay, I believe we're getting some feedback off of number 3. Okay, there's number 3. And number 2 got a good turn of the plug. Let's go to the back of the lock again. Still getting some feedback off of number 2, I believe it is. Okay, we turn the plug a little bit more on off of number 2. See what we can find. Number 3. Still got that number 3, I believe it is. Maybe it's 2. Let's back up the tension just a little. Hope we don't drop pins. Okay, that one. Now let's go to the back. I think we dropped the pin. Yeah, we dropped number 4 pin, I believe. Okay, number 4, and then there it is open. Okay, let's see if we can get this little nut off the back. Okay, spring doesn't want to come out, but that's alright. Okay, let's see if we can slide this plug out without too much problems. That worked out great. See what we have in the bottom. Look like serrated, standard. Spool on the end, standard. Okay, let's see if anything has been done to the plug. Okay, he has threading in number 1, 3, and has the number 4 is enlarged. Doesn't look like 2 and 5 has had anything changed up about the plug. Okay, let's take a look at the top pins now. Okay, number 1 looks like a deep cut spool. That is a serrated pin. Looks like another deep cut spool. Uh-oh. I don't know what this is. And that looks like a standard pin. Okay, no threading has been made to the plug. It's all just standard. Let's take a close look at the pins now. Sorry I didn't have the camera down. We were taking them out. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Serrated key pin, standard key pin, serrated key pin, spool, serrated pin, spool. And this has a looks like a 3-piece setup in it. This is another look like a spool, and it's smaller on the top of the key pin for that one spot there that was enlarged. Standard key pin, a little short one, and a standard upper pin. Okay, that's what we have in this 5-pin Baldwin with a Slade keyway. Thank you for watching. Please stay out of trouble. Please do not do anything illegal. And we had a problem with this lock before. It's got this little hole in it. I sealed it up so we could pick the lock, but I may have got a pin or so out of place when I put it back together, but I think this had something to do with it falling down into that into this hole. This was probably supposed to be in number 3, but it wound up in number 4. Okay, thank you very much.